Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Life. Today in this video we are going to make this simple model by using the SolidWorks tool. You can see in your screen this is the model that we are going to make. So let's open a part first. Click on the part, go for the OK. So here let it be by default unit millimeter gram second. I will choose your font plane and select the font plane and go for the sketch and take line. I will just start from this point and I will make the sketch which is quite like this. Here I will convert into arc shape. You can see in your sketch how it is. Again I need to convert into arc shape. Then go straight. Then come down. And just join this and make a close sketch. Now go for the dimensions. I will click on the dimension here and just give the dimension here which is 20. Next the overall length is 100. And here I need to give the distance which is 10 mm. First I will define this as 10. Here also this distance is 10 mm. And here also this distance is 10 mm. We could give the relation, equal relation also. Okay, I have given here already the dimensions. Just go with this. Enter. Now I need to give the dimension for this too. This is having radius 10. And here we have the radius 10. Now you can see your sketch is not getting still fully defined. The reason is we'll do something. We'll just make this is in the horizontal. Now you can see we need to define the height. So the height has given here 50. So I'll be giving here the height is 50. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. So come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. Choose your mid plane and give the extrude height which is 40. Now here I will choose this face and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. And here I will select this edge and I will go for the convert entities. And I will make a shape which is quite like this. Here I will be giving the dimension from here to here. This dimension is 10 mm. And I will be giving here angle which is 45. And this is 60. Now you can see here your sketch is getting fully defined. Come out from the sketch and go for the extruded boss base. And we need to reverse the directions and I want to extrude it up to next. Actually next we cannot take, we can go with the, because in front of this sketch there is no solid. So I'll go with this up to surface. I'll select this surface and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your sketch is, model is quite like this. Now I will choose once again the front plane. Click on the front plane and go for the sketch. Make it normal to the sketch and just do convert entities. Select this, go for the convert entities, select line, come down and just join here, make a close sketch. Okay, I'll just delete these portions. Now I will go for the extruded cut. So come out from the sketch options, go to the features and select here extruded cut and choose here once again mid plane, and I'll be giving here the thickness is, here they have given radius 10, so I'll be giving here 20. So give their extruded cut thickness is 20. Just go with this. Okay. Now I will choose this face once again. Go for the sketch. Make it normal to the. I will just go for the circle and I'll make a sketch like this. Now you can see your sketch is getting fully defined. Click on this edge. Go for convert entities and click on the trim. So come out from this sketch. And here we have the option once again. I'll go for this extruded cut. Now I will choose I'll choose here surface. I'll click on this surface. Just click on the OK. Now you can see here. Once again I will choose here front plane. Click on the front plane. Go for the sketch. Make it normal to the plane. Now I will draw here two circles, which is like this and like this. Both the circle are concentric. I'll just do one thing. I'll select this edge and this center. I'll give the relation here concentric. Now you can see here, go with this. Okay. We can give the dimension here right now. Give the outer circle having the radius 20. So I'll be giving there 40, diameter 40. Now I will be giving here this circle is having the radius diameter 20, and you can come out from the sketch right now. Go for the extruded boss base and choose the mid plane once again and give the extrude thickness is 20 mm and go for the OK. Now if you want, you can go to the appearance and you can change the appearance also, and you can choose here one appearance from here. Just I will change the background and I will make it plain white. You can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.